One of the tests that we offer that I have not seen anywhere else in the at-home test kit market is
Mm-hmm.
your AMH with your vitamin D. And this
Mm-hmm.
was super personal to me because when I first tested my AMH, my vitamin D I was so deficient in it that it actually
Mm-hmm.
made my AMH significantly lower. But
Mm-hmm.
then I supplemented with so much vitamin D that it went up drastically.
Mm-hmm.
Why do you think it's a good idea, in your opinion, to test both things together? Why do
Mm-hmm.
you think it's a good option that we're offering and that you would offer to other patients or recommend them to take?
Well, vitamin D insufficiency or vitamin D deficiency, and it's almost a modern plague. With the amount of times that we spent indoors, there's a good percentage of the population that is insufficient or frankly deficient. And so abnormal vitamin D levels unfortunately can mask an abnormal AMH. So there's a false positive rate in a proportion of women who are going to be vitamin D deficient. So it's important for us to interpret the test in the context of your physiology. Now, if there is vitamin D deficiency, we can correct that and then reassess, and that will guide our management towards different recommendations. For example, if somebody is a vitamin D deficient and then the AMH recovers, that would certainly be a different recommendation than if the AMH doesn't recover. So
Sure.
it's certainly very, very important to, again, look at the whole physiologic spectrum of where the patient is.